Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a beautiful semi-sweet chocolate ganache. We're only going to use 2 ingredients. 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of whipped cream. This is 35% cream. I've heated this cream up so it's very, very hot. I am simply going to take that and pour that right into our chocolate chips. All I need to do now is just let this sit for about 2 minutes. I want the chocolate and the cream to slowly become really good friends. That cream is going to get in there and start melting all of that chocolate. So I'm going to let this go 2 minutes and then I'll be back. So this is about 2 minutes later. I'll just grab my spatula and I'm just going to start right in the center. And I'm going to start stirring. And you can already see that magic happening. That heavy cream is slowly starting to create this beautiful thick chocolate sauce. And we'll just keep stirring. And in case you're wondering, I did have the heavy cream at around 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't have to be that high. You can have it a little bit lower. The chocolate will melt a little slower, but that's fine too. And if you wished, you could add a little bit of butter to this as well. I'm not going to today. But you could add a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of butter to this. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? And just stir until completely combined. Now this is very, very liquidy at this point. However, if you put this in the fridge for a couple of hours, this is going to thicken right up. And if you left it in the fridge overnight, you would actually be able to scoop this out with a spoon. That's how thick this becomes. And there we have it. Semi-sweet chocolate ganache. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.